Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are not having any high impact to medium impact news into the market today. Rather, we are having low impact news. So I don't think, I don't anticipate that the price can be really volatile today. So let's move to the charts now. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price was sweeping the highs of the previous swing, and currently we are into the monthly FVG. So this can possibly become an area from where the price can move into the further upside direction. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in here which can support the bullish move. So this is the weekly chart, and we can see that this was the low, uh, which had broken this high but failed to break this high completely, and it wigged it, and now we failed this low. So most likely, the trend is bearish till now because we can see there is a huge uh, momentum candle over here, and what we can see is that there was an FVG into the weekly time frame too. Let me mark it. So here is the FVG, and the price disrespected this FVG. Apart from that, I want to consider this complete leg as a invalidation point for the weekly range, because this leg was responsible for the price to break the previous high. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in here. Apart from that, I want to add one more thing. Sorry for that. That we are having this unmitigated wick range, which can possibly act as a support for the price. So let's move to the dailies now. Now that we are into the dailies, we can see that the price had made some kind of equal lows into the market, and currently what do we have in here is that we were having an order flow into the market, and the price disrespected this order flow. So the setup of these three candles, what you can see right now, is the flip zone for me. So I'm not anticipating the price to cross this high. So this will be the resistance for now. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in here. So into the 4 hours, we can clearly see that this was the area which was lastly responsible for the price to maintain the order flow, and rather rather than going into the upside direction, the price moved into the downward side, and currently we are having a huge FVG into the 4 hours. So I'm anticipating that the price can possibly go up, and then what will happen uh, is that I can anticipate that we are going to sweep this high or either break a strong low within the smaller time frames, that is 30 minutes to 15 minutes, and then we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction. So let's move to the 1 hours. Now that we are into the 1 hours, we can see that the price had made some kind of equal highs, and it is currently maintaining that formation. So at the current time, I'm anticipating that the price can possibly go up, and then we are going to sweep the Asia high, and then we can move into the downward direction towards these equal lows. So let's move to the 15 minutes directly to see what do we have in here. Now that we are into the 15 minutes, we can see that the price is having a choppy price action over here, and we have responded back, and this will be the high, which will be the factor from where the price can mitigate this FVG of the higher time frame, and then we can possibly go into the downward direction. So for today's bias and today's trade plan, I'm anticipating that the price can possibly take the Asia high, and then we are going to go into the downward direction. So this is pretty much it. Uh, Don't forget to fill the form if you're interested for the mentorship. Till now, four of the traders have filled the form. So if you are interested in that too, do fill the form. The link is in the description of this video. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.